Hello?
Hi, welcome to the scooter rental. Can I help you?
Yes, I want rent a scooter, but I not know safety rules.
You want to rent a scooter, but you don't know the safety rules? No problem. You must always wear a helmet.
I not have helmet.
You don't have a helmet? That's okay. We can give you one.
Can I ride on the sidewalk?
No, you must ride on the bike lane or the road, not the sidewalk.
How fast I can go?
How fast can I go? The speed limit is 20 kilometers per hour.
What if it rains?
If it rains, please ride slowly and be careful.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try the scooter.
That's great. Have a safe and fun ride.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Tech Help Desk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to set up my new phone.
You want to set up your new phone? No problem. Do you have the phone with you?
Yes, but I not know how to start.
You don't know how to start?
That's okay. First, press the power button.
I press this button.
Yes, that's the power button. Now wait for the screen.
It is on now. What I do next?
Now choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi.
I not remember my Wi-Fi password.
You don't remember your Wi-Fi password? Maybe it is on your router at home.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy you help me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new phone. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the rooftop yoga class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the class. Do I need bring my own mat?
You want to join the class and ask if you need to bring your own mat?
Good question. You can bring your own mat, but we also have mats here. I not do yoga before.
You have not done yoga before? No problem. This class is good for beginners.
What time the class start?
The class starts at 6 p.m.
How long is the class?
The class is 1 hour.
Do I need special clothes?
No, just wear something comfortable.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try yoga.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the class and the view.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the podcast club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to record my story.
You want to record your story? That's great. We love new stories here.
I not record before.
You have not recorded before? No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just your story and your voice.
Is the microphone hard to use?
No, it is easy. I will show you how to use it.
How long my story can be?
How long can my story be? About 5 minutes is perfect.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. We're excited to hear your story.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the library. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the reading challenge.
You want to join the reading challenge? That's great. Anyone can join.
I not joined before.
You have not joined before? No problem. I can explain how it works.
What I need to do?
What do I need to do? Just sign up here and choose your first book.
How many books I must read?
How many books must I read? You can read as many as you want, but the goal is 5 books.
Is there a prize?
Yes, if you finish, you get a small prize.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to read more books.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the challenge and happy reading.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the transport kiosk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want get a travel card.
You want to get a travel card? No problem. Do you need it for bus or train?
I need for both bus and train.
Great. You can use one card for both.
I not buy travel card before.
You have not bought a travel card before. That's okay. I will help you.
What I need to do.
Just fill this form and show your ID.
How much it cost.
It costs $5. You can add more money for travel.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use the card.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your travels.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the cleanup event. Can I help you?
Yes, I want help pick up trash.
You want to help pick up trash?
That's great. We need more helpers.
I not do this before.
You have not done this before. No problem. I will show you what to do.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just bring gloves if you have them. We have bags.
Where I start?
Where do I start? You can start near the park entrance.
How long cleanup last?
How long does the cleanup last? About 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the city.
Hello?
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want to ask about a lost keys poster.
You want to ask about a lost keys poster?
Of course. Did you lose your keys?
Yes, I lost my house keys yesterday.
I see. Did you put a poster on the board?
No, I not know how to make a poster.
You don't know how to make a poster? I can help you with that.
Thank you. What I need to write?
Write your name, phone number, and a short description of your keys.
Can I put a photo?
Yes, a photo is very helpful.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I hope someone finds my keys.
Don't worry. Many people look at this board. Good luck. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Board Game Night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn a new game.
You want to learn a new game? That's great. Which game do you want to try?
I not know many games.
You don't know many games? No problem. I can teach you an easy one.
What is the name of the game?
This one is called Ticket to Ride. It's fun and simple.
I not play before.
You have not played before? That's okay. I will explain the rules.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Let's play and have fun together.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the community painting wall. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to paint my own mural.
You want to paint your own mural?
That's wonderful. Anyone can join.
I not paint mural before.
You have not painted a mural before?
No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
What do you need to bring? Just your idea. We have paint and brushes here.
Can I paint any picture?
Yes, but please keep it friendly for everyone.
How long I can paint?
How long can I paint? You can paint for 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's great. Have fun and be creative.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Digital Help Kiosk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to set up my new smartwatch.
You want to set up your new smartwatch.
No problem. Do you have it with you?
Yes, but I not know how to start.
You don't know how to start? That's okay. First, press the power button.
I press this button.
Yes, that's right. Now wait for the screen to turn on.
It is on now. What I do next?
Now connect it to your phone with Bluetooth.
I not use Bluetooth before.
You have not used Bluetooth before? I can show you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use my smartwatch.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new watch. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Eco Market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a bamboo toothbrush.
You want to buy a bamboo toothbrush? Yes, we have them here.
I not use bamboo toothbrush before.
You have not used a bamboo toothbrush before?
No problem. They are good for the environment.
Are they strong?
Yes, they are strong and last a long time.
How much one toothbrush cost?
One toothbrush is $3.
Can children use them?
Yes, we have small sizes for children too.
Thank you.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I'm happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new toothbrush. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the upcycling workshop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want make a wallet from old jeans.
You want to make a wallet from old jeans.
That's a great idea.
I not make wallet before.
You have not made a wallet before?
No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring your old jeans and some thread.
Can I use glue?
Yes, you can use glue or needle and thread.
How long it take to make?
It takes about 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try upcycling.
That's wonderful. Your wallet will be unique.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Language Cafe. Can I help you?
Yes, I want practice English with a new partner.
You want to practice English with a new partner?
That's great. We have many people here.
I not practice with partner before.
How I find a partner?
How do I find a partner? Just sit at a table and say hello.
What we talk about?
You can talk about hobbies, family, or daily life.
I am a little shy.
That's okay. Many people feel shy at first.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try.
That's wonderful. The more you practice, the better you get.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the science fair. Can I help you?
Yes, I want do simple science project.
You want to do a simple science project?
That's great. What do you like?
I not do science project before.
You have not done a science project before?
No problem. I can give you ideas.
What is easy project for beginners?
You can make a volcano with baking soda and vinegar.
That sound fun. What I need?
You need a small bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and some food color.
How long it take?
It takes about 15 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try science.
That's wonderful. Have fun at the fair.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the food forest. Can I help you?
Yes, I want pick some fresh herbs.
You want to pick fresh herbs?
That's great. We have many kinds here.
I not pick herbs before.
You have not picked herbs before? No problem. I can show you.
What herbs you have?
We have mint, basil, and parsley.
Can I take a little of each?
Yes, just use the small scissors and take a few leaves.
Do I need to pay?
No, herbs are free for everyone.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use fresh herbs for cooking.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your cooking and come back anytime. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the art supply swap. Can I help you?
Yes, I want trade my sketchbook.
You want to trade your sketchbook?
That's great. What kind do you have?
I have a small sketchbook. I not use it much.
You have not used it much? No problem. You can trade it here.
Can I take a bigger sketchbook?
Yes, you can choose any sketchbook on the table.
Do I need to pay?
No, trading is free for everyone.
How many I can trade?
You can trade 1 for 1.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find a new sketchbook.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your drawing.